Did you know jaguars have a secret fashion statement? Look closely at their beautiful spotted coat. Those flower-like patterns are called rosettes, and inside many of them, there's a tiny little dot. It's like a secret signature that sets them apart from leopards. But they're not just stylish. They're incredibly powerful. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of any big cat. Strong enough to bite straight through bone and even the tough shells of turtles. Talk about a superpowered jaw. Unlike many other cats, jaguars absolutely love the water. They are excellent swimmers and feel right at home splashing, hunting, and playing in rivers and wetlands. Being an amazing climber and a pro swimmer makes them true masters of their environment. From the highest tree branches to the deepest riverbanks, the jaguar reigns supreme. What an incredible animal! If you love learning about wildlife, make sure to follow for more. Thanks for watching.